The great thing about Monmouth College, and of course financial aid office included also, is that we can literally call and you're talking with a person right then and there.
When he accepted, then I contacted the financial aid office and just asked 10,000 questions, and the office was super kind, answered every question I had.
I took literally the mounds of taxes downstairs to the financial aid department in Bowling, and they did it with me. Because if not, I would have lost my mind.
They'll do everything in their power to give you as much financial aid, give you as much financial advice, and give you opportunities on campus also to financially support yourself.
They kept finding things for her and took the time and the effort to get to know her, get to know us in our situation while we were looking for it, and they made it work.
Seeing the initial tuition and then the first scholarship that they gave me, I was like, this is more than half. Like, this is gonna be possible.
Love the idea that I've been able to save and prepare myself for the future based on the financial aid and the scholarships that I've been given at Monmouth.
The financial aid department, thank the Lord for them. Like, they hold my education together.
Let those people in financial aid do their job, because they are fantastic at their job. Let them do their job before you say, I can't afford $56,000, because I'm telling you, it's not $56,000 when it's all said and done.